Good day. Mustgrow is an ag tech company focused on patented natural science-based plant products and soil amendment solutions. The company just received registration approval for its TerraSante product in Washington State, and CEO Corey Giasson is here to discuss this news with us. I'm Martin Gagel with Market Radius Research. It's Wednesday, November the 15th. Corey, thanks a lot for joining us today. That's great news. With Washington State registration approval. Can you give us a bit of an overview on the news and what it means for Mustgrow?
Yeah, thanks, Martin. And yeah, it's a great day for Mustgrow. Great news that we were able to release our first registration of TerraSante. So no longer can we call it just a technology, but it is an actual product where we can start initial sales in Washington State. About 2 weeks ago, we made the announcement that we had OMRI certification, and that in the U.S. And having the organic certification and now our initial registration, we're now able to start selling product into that particular state, and we're hopeful that more states will follow, and we'll get more registrations down the road in other states.
The OMRI certification, they're the body that designates if you're organic or not, and they've designated you as an organic product.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, and what are then the next steps here for now that you're allowed to sell it into Washington State? What happens next with Mustgrow?
Yeah, so we've got a commercial product. As I mentioned, we hope to get more states down the road, and kind of the parts of the U.S. that we're focused in on. It's not all 50 states, but it's the states that have the high value crops, the fruit and veggie growers, the potato growers. So if you think down the western seaboard, Idaho, Washington, California, and then kind of go around the bottom and up the eastern part of it is kind of the focus. So it's kind of a U of the United States for registrations. But now that we have our initial registration with Washington, we're now going to start looking at moving product into that market. And we made mention earlier this year that we had our first commercial production run. It was our pilot scale testing that we did with a contract manufacturer. We basically produced enough product that we think would be able to get us throughout 2024. And then hopefully we'll start producing more product for 2025 in the near future. But again, we've produced enough product, hopefully for 2024, so that we can start moving product into that market. And the whole strategy here for working with BioAg Strategies, Tim, is to get farmers to test this product. And so he has the contacts on the farmer side, the producer side, the retail side, and then also the distribution side, with groups that are actively looking for soil amendment type products to help build up their soil and the soil microbiome and make their soils healthier. So our goal is to test it with these players and get basically testimonials and utilize word of mouth to help penetrate more of the market down the road in that. So proof will be in the pudding.
All right. And so first year is hopefully a bunch of farmers try it on a test basis. They like it. Then the following year, they apply greater amounts of it, keep growing their usage of it. They talk to their neighbors about how they love it. And then and then you get distribution partners and it builds from there. Is that roughly how it works?
That's the strategy that we're utilizing here first. And, there is potential for sales in that, but our whole objective here is to get testimonials, and we want nothing better than your neighbor as a farmer saying, I'm utilizing this product and it's been very good for my soils and that's what we want.
So we're only mid-November here. So Washington State, they don't grow a lot, I think, during the winter months. So you've got plenty of time to get the word of mouth out, talk to the farmers, and get things set up so that I presume in the springtime they would start applying this?
Yeah, that would be our goal for Washington. I can't remember exactly when we announced working with Tim at BioAg Strategies, but that
was in June.
In June, okay, yeah. So we have been active in this area for a while here. So we're
okay.
The farmers, the groups that we're wanting to work with, strawberry growers or what have you, to help or to start testing this. So we've identified the farmers that are actively seeking this type of technology.
Oh, okay. So you've been working the pipeline, so to speak, for several months here, and now that it's registered, they're aware of it, and then they can start planning to for the TerraSante to be part of their 2024 growing strategy.
Yes, you're right. We have identified them and now we're just going to be starting to take orders on product for the 2024 growing season.
So we should expect or hope to see some additional state registrations in the coming weeks and months?
Yeah, hopefully. I mean, it's again, dealing with governments, it's hard to tell when it'll come in, but we're active in that area. And in addition, we'll be active in starting to fill up that the sales channel, and so hopefully start moving product to these farm groups or farmers that are interested in testing this technology and utilizing it.
Anything else you want to add before we wrap it up?
No, that's hopefully before the end of the year we have another announcement and all that. So we're quite excited about today, and we're excited about the next coming months.
Thanks, Corey, for giving us the update. Have a great day and talk to you again soon.
You too.